In this video, I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So the first thing you need to do is ensure you turn off your phone. So press the side key and volume up button simultaneously to reveal the power menu. Then you want to slide down to power off your phone. So once your phone powers off, you now need to press the side key and the volume down button simultaneously. So keep holding until you see the OnePlus logo. Once the OnePlus logo appears, simply let go of the side key and keep pressing the volume down button until it boots into recovery mode. So let's do that together. Side key and volume down. So press and hold, just like that. Keep pressing. Once you see the logo, let go of the side key. Keep pressing the volume down button. And as you can see, it's now booted into recovery mode, and the first thing you need to do is select your language. Now the touch screen does not work in it actually does, so you can go back and select your language, and then now under the recovery options you can choose what you want to do. You can either format the data or reboot your device, but that's basically how to enter recovery mode on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.